Hello children, we have to move to next chapter, mean and median. First of all, you have to study mean. What is mean? Mean is you have studied in the fifth standard. Average you have studied in the fifth standard, isn't it? That the same thing is here. This you are familiar with the term average. That means some data is given. When how will you find the average? Sum up all the given data and divided by number of observations. That is the average. The same thing is we doing here for mean. Another name of average is mean or arithmetic mean. Okay, I will show one example, then you will understand what is it. Here is given some numbers 5. Look at here. Here is find the what is the formula to find mean. Sum of all the observation or all the given values divided by number of observation. That is the formula you have to by here. The same formula of average. Here is an example. Find the mean of the data 5, 13, 10, 13, 15, 9, 17, 14. That means we have 8 observations are given. So that means sum of observation by number of observation. We have add all the digits and divided by number of digits. You will get the mean of this given data. Always the mean will be in between the largest and smallest the observation given in the question. Okay, so you have to always remember that. I will show one or two example exercise questions. Suppose there is a given question. Look at here, we have exercise. So many questions are there. Find the mean of given data. Is look at the given data. Look at here, mean equals sum of observation by number of observation. Find the mean of 7, 10, 4, 17. How will you add this 7 plus 10 plus 4 plus 17 divided by number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the number of observation. So when we add these numbers, we will get 38 as a sum. Sum divided 38 divided by 4, you get 9.5 as the average or mean. So that is the 9.5 is in between the smallest number is 7, largest is 70. It is in between that, almost in middle of this given observation. Second one is observation is given over here, and we have to, here is 2, 1, 2, 3 zeros are there, but when we take this also an observation, when we add the numbers we have to take the zeros also, because we have the number of observation when we count, we have to count the zeros also. That's why we will get 10. That is total divided by 10, we get 3.5. Just like another question. Look at find 6 even average of our mean of find a 6 even natural number. First of all, we have to write the even natural number. Which are the even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Sum of all these digits, and this 6 is the number of digits divided by 6. We will get 7 as the average, but or mean. Another question is mean of 5 odd natural numbers. First of all, write the natural odd numbers and some 5 first 5 odd natural numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the numbers. Sum up all the numbers divided by 5, will get the answer. Next is all prime numbers up to 30. That means first of all we have to write all the prime numbers, then add, there is 10 numbers are there, add all the prime numbers and divided by 10, you will get the answer. Just like you can do the remaining questions also. There is a I will show one different question. Look at here. The mean of 18, 28, x 32, 14, 36 and 36 is 23. That means mean is given and the observation is given, but one of the observations is unknown. That is given it as x. You have to find the value. How will you find it? For that we have to add, the mean is given as 23 and we have to sum up all the digits, and number 6 observation are there, so divided by 6. That means when we add the whole numbers we will get 168 plus 1x is unknown, so plus, we have to write it as plus x. Now 23 equals 128 plus x by 6. Now cross multiply 23 into 6 and equals 128 plus x. Now when we multiply 23 into 6, we get it as 138 equals 128 plus x. X equals 138 minus 128, will get it as x. If you want, you can check your answer is correct or not, giving this 10 of this observation x is over here. and when we take the average you will get 23. The same answer will get that way. You can check your answer also. There's one more question. If the mean of x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8 is 13, find the value of x. What we have to do? The same process we have to do it here also. X plus sum up all the given observation. Here we have one more, 1 2 3 4 5 x are there. At least you know you have studied algebra, so you know how to add the alphabets. 5 x are there, so take it as 5x. The remaining 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 will get it as 20. And now we cross multiply this term. 13 is the given mean, and when multiply by 5 will get 65. Now take 20 to the right side of the equation. 5x equals 65 minus 20, answer will be 35. X equals 35 by 5, answer is 7. Just like you can find this exercise. There are many questions are there. Some we have discussed over. The remaining question you have to do yourself. Next term is find median. What is median? Median for the given observation is when a given data is arranged from smallest to largest, that means ascending order or descending order, you can arrange the given data. Then the digit which come in the middle, if that is the median. But when we arrange the data in ascending or descending order, if you want any one of the term you can use ascending order, the number of observation is even and odd. Both will be there. Okay, so what we have to do? When the number of observation is odd, you have to take the middle value. That is the, look at here, the rules are here. If there are odd number of data, there will be one middle value. This middle value will be median. This middle value will be taken as median. This is the given observation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 observation there. The middle value is 6, so 6 is median for this given observation. If there is an even number of data, there will be two middle values, isn't it? So what is the median? Median will be the average of these two values. Okay, I will discuss some examples. Look at here. The observation is given 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 14. This is written in ascending order. The given observation written in ascending order. So the number of observation is 9. So the middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the number of n equals 7. So odd number is the number of observation. So answer will be, median will be the middle value. That is the 9 is the median. And look at here. Here the observations are even number. The given observation written in the ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. So n is 10. So that is even. So what we have to do? We have to take the middle two values and take the average. Here the two middle values are 5 and 7. 5 plus 7 by 2 will get the average of the that will be the median. Okay. So sometimes in the observation some digits will be repeated. Still we cannot neglect it. We have to write in that all numbers, even if it is 0, your same number is repeated 5 or 10 times, you have to write that digits in ascending order. Then only you can count the number of observation will be correct. Okay, look at here another one. Here is the observation is given. First they arrange in ascending order. The number of data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is the number of observation. So even number. So you have to take the middle two values 12 and 13. Now you have to take the average of 12 and 13. That is 12 plus 13 by 2. You will get the average. Just like you can do the exercise questions also. There is a sure question. The questions will be asked to find the mean and median. Both will be asked in the examination. Very easy section is there. So do all the remaining questions and exercise question. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.